Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's session is LSMW. It means Legacy System Migration Workbench. So that LSMW, when it will be used for that business user having multiple master datas in their own system, they're like legacy system, so which is their existing they are using. So that legacy system available data, master datas will move to SAP system. That scenarios we are going to use for the LSMW. So four types of we are transferring the data from legacy system to SAP system. That four type, first I show what is the LSMW. Legacy system migration workbench. This is the LSMW abbreviation. Legacy system migration workbench. So what are the types we are using for the transferring the data from legacy system to SAP system? One is from direct input method. Number 2, recording. Number 3, IDOC. Number 4, BFAP. Okay, so these are the four type of we can transfer the data from legacy system to SAP system. So today we are going to see the second step, like recording mode. So this way only we are going to do today's session, how to that transferring the creation the multiple data in the system. So we see this today. Open the SAP system. Transaction code TLSMW. Here having some three selections. One is project, sub-project and object. So we can create the three based on the requirement. Here one option is the create entry. Click on create entry. So now click on create entry. First we given the project name and test underscore material. So whichever you given the project, you given the project name. I put Metal Master upload. Now click on continue. It will ask the sub project. So ROH met underscore ROH. I given ROH material upload. Continue. Here they asking again object. Here I put Metal Mass 06 upload Metal Mass just 06. So now the project and sub project and object both are ready. Now we are given continue. Here major we having around 14 steps are important steps available in that LSMW. So then one by one it will be see. First step is maintain object attributes. So select and execute. It will go to the screen, or else you double click the maintain object attributes. Here the screen in that disable mode, So I can here go to display and change, click on here. Now it's coming in the editable mode. So here, which is a type we are discussing now, these types are available. One is direct input, recording, and PBAP. Okay, then IDAC. So now I click on our it's test today on recording. So I will click on batch input recording. Here you come to here recordings overview. So you click on this icon, it will go to one more screen. Here the recording for create the recording. Click on create recording. You give some names. Material mass 06 ROH material mass upload test 06. So create recording will started. Now you click on continue. You are asking the transaction code. Which transaction we are going to record? We can give the vendor master means we can give an XK01. Then we give purchase info record meaning ME11. Then metal master means MM01. Now today we are creating metal master MM01 transaction. Now it navigated to MM01 screen. Now the recording will started. So he very carefully create the records. So it will be if you mass time of uploading. So in case of any error will come, if we not properly done these recordings. So whichever field is required, that input only you do. So this easily to upload that whichever necessary data. So first I selected industry sector as a mechanical engineering. Then material type I select on raw material. Now I press on enter. Now I select only one data, basic data. Then click on continue. Here I given description, example car 01 like that. So here I given basic unit of measurement is piece, given material group W0103. So now I selected only one group. So don't give an enter. You select on this option. So views option. You go to the purchasing view. Next. So that time asking the plant. You given the plant KUP1. You enter. Now purchasing group we are asking here KPG. So our purchasing group KPG. So whichever views you required mandatory necessary field, then only you select. So remaining other things you don't enter anything. Next I create only thing is accounting view. I will create accounting view. Here valuation class for raw material 3000. I put price control is V. I mention 1000. So these are the data for necessary for the mental master. So I will put this data only. Now press enter save. Now all the data are recorded. Now you click go to default all. Now which are the field name you record you entered, that all coming in the brown color. Now you save the data. So go back. Again go back. Now you go to that batch input recording. In the recording option press F4. If automatically which is latest record we done, this will come here. Multiple records available, you select your which is recorded you done recently. You select the give the input of the latest record name. So now save the data. Okay, now we go back. So now automatically that option will go to second screen. Second option, maintain source structures. Before going to the source structure, so we do that go to object overview. Here having the data which is available in that which form we should be displayed, I will given the table. So which are the field we are recorded entered data in the system. So I am copy first two rows, don't copy from the industry sector we started. So we copy that. I'll open one Excel sheet. Now I paste the data. So here we open some 4 sheets. This is record data. Keep it. This is record. Another one sheet for structure data. Another one is for reference sheet. Another one is for input. So these are the 4 sheet we are maintained. So I will explain one by one why these are the sheets are created. First the record sheets. Okay, so I will copy the data, put it in the structure field, structure sheet. In that descriptions are not required. Here put the header for this field name. This is field name. This is characters. This is length. How many characters we can maximum enter. In the characters, all the fields should be in. All the fields should be in C. C for characteristics. So now I change it. I will explain why this data is required for these formats. Then go to again the record data which is available. You put it on the go to reference sheet. Right click. You go to paste special. Put on transpose. 1 minute. Why it not come? I will check 1 minute. I put on transpose now. So now which are the data we recorded is coming transpose. Now we enter the whichever data our side. This industry sector is mechanical, so I given M. Then material type ROH. That selection one given selection of enter na, so we'll give selection of basic view, that is given X. Then material description I put car 0 2. Basic unit of measurement piece. Material group 00103. Plant KU P1. Purchasing group KPG. Valuation class 3000. Price control V. Unit price 1. Then put in the price on 5000. So same data I will enter for that. One more description car 3. So here two data available, so it will do that. How it will change. Now you first copy that with the field names, you put it into input sheet. Then go to reference, which are the data we entered, our data only copy and put it in the input sheet. So these are the required data we are going to upload in the system. So copy the data, open one text file, text document. Okay, given test 06 some other name which is required. So now open that text, you paste and save the data and close the text. Now two entries we are copy and pasted in the text format. Now I go to LSMW screen, go back. Now there is second option, still we going to continue maintain source structures. So here all the transaction the screen will open with disable mode, so we can go to change the edit mode. So now here is come. Now create the structure. Click on create structure. We'll given the name of material structure. Material mass structure, or else I put material mass test 06. So I'll create material mass structure. So save, go back. Now the screen automatically move to maintain, third option, maintain source fields. So now go to edit mode. Now click on structure, material structure, go to table maintenance. Here this field which is we are maintaining the structure. So already we are having the data in the structure field. So copy from field name, character and length. Copy the three data and copy paste on here. This purpose only we are working there. So now press enter. So all the description will automatically come except plan. You given the plan for this field name WERKS. Now save the data. So go back, save, go back. Now it should go to fourth option, maintain structure relations. Open, click on edit mode. Click on material mass. Go to save, go to back. Now the fourth option, maintain field mapping and conversion rules. Now we go to edit option, click on the field descriptions, go to extras. Here auto field mapping, one more option is there. Here click on this, already that data coming with the default, don't change anything in this. Click on continue. Here coming on pop-up auto field mapping proposals. You accept proposals. At the time of you seeing the proposal description will changing after accept the proposals. So now it changed to material type. Now it changed to enter. Now it changed to material description. So until purchasing group, valuation class, price control, price unit, moving price. Now auto field mapping complete. Give continue. Now screen will display like this. Save the data. So now maintain fixed values and translation user defined routines. Now go to screen and come back. So sixth option to seventh option, the specify files automatically will not move. So we manually select the specify files. We can, or else double click specify files. You click on this change mode. Then legacy data which is available in our PC. So this is front end PC on the PC. So you click on, double click on where is our file available. We select the file. Our file name is just 06. I selected. Here the file content should be in data one source structure. The delimiter should be in the tabulator form. Then field structure, the field name at the start of file, because of in our Excel sheet the first column, first row is starting with field name. So we should be selecting the field name start of file option. Then remaining thing keep it is. Now continue. Sorry, file name is asking. Just 06 metmask. Now click go. Continue. Save. Go back. The assign files. Double click on the assign files. Just go back. Sorry. Edit mode. Now change. Go back. Now read data. Double click on this. Execute. Here our data is two data are here saved in this. So it's showing two data are available in the text 06 file. Then display read data, execute, which is available we created here. We can verify here which is the data we entered in the Excel file. Is everything correctly populated or not? We can check in the system. If anything is wrong, we can go back the Excel sheet. We can correct the data and make it in the again copy and paste on the text file. Then we started from the step number 7, specify files. No need to do all the things. Anything wrong, we can find it in the display read data. So we can correct the data from the Excel sheet and the text file. Then we can start from the specify files. The remaining the first 6 steps don't need to continue from the beginning. So we started from the specify files in case of any wrong happen in that files. Next, convert data. So execute. So here also the two data is available. Now display convert data. So now everything is available. Now create batch input sessions. Keep batch input folder. One batch input folder with 2 transactions created. The final step is run batch input session. Double click on, here we go, that material mass 06 file. You go to select the line items fully, then click on process. Here there is a two-way file available. One is process foreground or display errors only, then background. The process or background means at the time of creation we given enter for every field. For example, we select that enter the description, we given enter manually. Then we given the purchase info record, we given enter manually. So this is every time we given enter manually, so that this process foreground will option we use. Then display will errors only for only if anything error will facing at the time of creation, mass creation, it will show that error which is where it is facing the error. Then now we are proposed via display errors only. We in the additional functions you click on extended log and expert mode and time pro standardize standard size. Now click on process. So now processing a batch is completed. If anything errors will come, it will show the error here. Now the session is overview. Now go to MM60. We can see the which is latest we created description is car 2 and 3, right? Here you have the automatically material number is it is Intel number, automatically system will create it. We can also give that regular material number which is available, our external number also we can using at the time of recording. Same we can use for this. For this we can use all the things now. So now that record is whichever data we created is using now. So for the same scenario, example we created with multiple materials, we are going to use for same scenario we are using for specific files. If example we continue with create one more material, so only thing we need to change the input. If example I am using car 11 to car 15. So here I put 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. So now it's going to create this material via LSNW. So it's required for only thing you started from the specified files. No need the finish from the beginning. It go to I will create for this line item total entry for 5 entries. So I will select the line items, copy the line item. I will go to new text test 10. I give name. So paste the data and save. Now you go to LSMW screen. You need to do the all the steps. Already we having the project and sub project and object, everything we have. So we can just proceed, and we started from the specify files. No need to do that 6 steps. We can start it from specify files. Click on this. Now in edit mode, go to legacy system. Sorry, here. So we change that 10. We change it test 10 material mass tabulator. Is all the already we done earlier, so all the data are available like this. So now save data, go back, assign files, change mode. Now save the data, go back, read data, execute. Now 5 records are here available to upload. So go back, display read data. Now all the 5 records are appear here. Convert data, execute. 5 records are available for upload. It will show in the information. Display convert data. Here already here coming in the proper way. Here it will be green, means there is no error on this. Now create patch input session. Execute. The one patch input folder with 5 transactions is created. So 5 transactions means 5 line items. Now run patch input session. Here already we done here with strategies processed is now it's a new. So we select the new line item, select the process. We ensure to select on display errors only. Then additional functions, extended lock and expert mode and Dyn-Pro standard size. Now process is processing. Now the processing of batch input session completed. Now this is an overview. Now we go to see the MM60 material view. We created name is car 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This internal material number is created for this material. So this way we can use for the LSMW for recording method. So hope this video very helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon, like and share my videos. Share the knowledge. Sharing is caring. Thank you.